Do you think that Planet Labs price um price per share is going to skyrocket to probability $50 per share immediately after SpaceX launches their initial public offering? That is IPO, which is initial public offering, which they're going to launch, into in the stock market, and people are going to buy. So do you think other space companies that are into the space sector price share is going to skyrocket, especially Planet Lab? Currently they are at $25 per share, and this year is their best year ever, because of course they have generated a revenue of approximately $300 million. They have, they have recently been profitable. That's earning before tax, EBT. They have been what, profitable. But do you think that there's still massive growth immediately after SpaceX launch? Because now the hype right now is SpaceX is going to launch the initial public offering. Does this affect other space sectors industry, and specifically the companies such as Planet Lab? What do you think? Will Planet Lab shares skyrocket, increase 20%, 30%, or 40%? However, if you no get money to invest, go and learn how to earn money. Go and learn how to increase your earning capacity. Go and learn how to, when you earn money, take the money and invest it in yourself back, in your skills, make more money, then take advantage of investment opportunity later. So right, what we are dealing right now is those that have money to invest. Now, are you looking at the space sector to invest? Do you want to invest in the space sector because now is an opportunity for people that say, okay, let me invest in the space sector because SpaceX is about to launch. I'm waiting for SpaceX to launch so I can invest in it, or I'm gonna invest in other space companies, that is in the sector, such as Planet Lab, because that company is seeing massive growth, massive deal. However, the issue now is that 50% of their revenue comes from a particular source. 50%. So if that source closed down, what happens next? They have a major deal with a Sweden company. So if you're looking at investing, you want to look at the space industry. You want to look at the space sector. People are looking into it because of this narration of SpaceX is about to launch. So let's invest in other space companies, and enjoy the dividends or enjoy the money as time goes on.